Good morning and welcome back to the Connect podcast. This podcast episode is going to be pretty special. Tomorrow is the Holdrege Winter Festival. And so I wanted to take some time and just dive into all of the things. A lot of times, myself especially, I'm so caught up in coordinating a bunch of fun stuff and we're shooting it out on socials and we have an ad going, but I don't think we get enough time to sit down and actually flesh out all of the fun things that are happening in our community that's not very big. And so just taking a few minutes this morning to talk about some of the activities that are happening, give you some inside scoop just in case you're not yet sure of what's happening, and then maybe this can guide your planning for tomorrow. So first of all, tomorrow, the Winter Festival. It's one of our biggest days of the year. It's really an all-day affair. It starts with things early in the morning from about 8 a.m. all the way until 9 p.m. And there's really stuff to do at every point of the day. And so let's start with the morning. The morning of Winterfest really starts all across Holdrege. The YMCA has their gingerbread, house decorating, and Santa Claus. They've also got their YMCA Santa Sleigh 5K. The Holdrege Methodist Church will have their cookie walk. The Lions Club has their pancake feed. And the Holdrege Optimist Club also has their reindeer games. And so each event supports those local organizations. It brings families together and it builds excitement leading into the chamber-led activities for Winterfest later in the day. The first of which being the Santa Experience, sponsored by Adjacent Properties. This is over there at the Holdrege Sun Theater from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. This is what you'd expect from a Santa experience. You've got pictures with Santa Claus. If your kids want to give him their list and talk about all of the things that they're asking for Christmas this year. Also, there will be the North Pole mailbox that's available there. So if they want to slip something in the mailbox and send it straight to the North Pole, that way they ensure all of the details gets to the big man himself. They're welcome to do that. There's a letter station that'll have stamps and markers and paper and all types of scrapbooking materials so that they can put together a custom letter that's really authentically from them. There will also be the Dairy Queen coloring contest going on at the same time. At around 5:30, when the sun starts going down, we're going to head over to the courthouse lawn for our Enchanted Winterland. So this is sponsored by Phelps Memorial Health Center. And what you can expect is at 5:30, we're going to have a countdown and we'll have all of the lights come on at the same time as the Holdrege Choir sings carols. Make sure you head over there at 5:30. The Holdrege High School Music Choir will be singing. There's a bunch of selfie stations, lights, and you'll catch Santa and Mr. Winterfest himself there. At about 6 p.m., we've got what's called the Jingle Mingle. And this is where it's basically a walking open house sponsored by Phil Heinrich's Farm Bureau Financial Services. But it allows you to walk through some of these businesses. We've got about 13. Some of them have teamed up with other non-downtown businesses to bring you something really fun. Some of the things you can find are Cindy Lou Who Hair, face painters, balloon animals. There's hot dogs and chili dogs, hot cider, some of them with Fireball if you're interested in that. Hot cocoa, cappuccinos, stories by the fireplace. Really something for everyone. You can get a full list of what's happening on our website, holdregechamber.com/winterfest. As soon as that Jingle Mingle starts, the Parade of Lights lineup starts. And this is it's really the premier part of our Winter Festival. In a recent survey we put out, we asked people's favorite part of Winterfest, and actually 60% of people who voted said this was their favorite part. It starts at 7, but lineup starts at 6 at the Holdrege City Campground, and you don't have to pre-register. You can show up and come with your trucks or your tractors or your golf carts or your walkers with glow sticks. You can meet over there at the Holdrege City Campground. It's all free. Pre-registration is free and day of registration is free. The early registration really helps us to organize the lineup quickly, but everyone's welcome to just show up, even if you make your float the day of. This year's parade is including the Holdrege fire trucks. We've got police, floats, lights, some creative displays, cars, tractors, trailers. We've even got the Holdrege marching band that's going to be playing with their instruments all decked out and lit up. And so that's going to be fun. If you're looking for a way to get involved, you don't have to be a business owner. Last year we had a grandpa that came and had all of his grandkids with him, and it just said Papa's something or other, and I thought that was really cool. You can decorate your pickup with Christmas lights. You can walk with glow sticks or with matching hats. We have a lot of people who pull a small trailer with a light display. Last year we had Grinch walking around handing out stuff, and even Krampus from Gray's Twisted Manor, which was really fun. You could show off a classic car or a tractor that's wrapped in lights. The possibilities are endless. Just light something up and meet us down at the Holdrege City Campground at 6 p.m. There's a lot going on in our community for Winterfest. There's something for everyone. There's something for all ages. The biggest point we want to make is to get people to come out of their cars and enjoy our community, even though it's a little cold outside. So make sure you come downtown Holdrege December 13th. We're starting early in the morning and we're going all day. You can choose to come out and hang out with us all day or pick and choose what you want to do, but we just hope to see you. We just wanted to take some time to go over all of the events here at Winterfest. So we can't wait to see you. Make sure you stop and say hello when we see you on Saturday. See you at the Winter Festival.